Hey, welcome back to the KimLud channel. We're excited to jump into a new topic today.
Imagine standing at the edge of the modern world, with one foot planted firmly in the past, a past older than almost everything humanity remembers. Before you, glass, steel, and stone rise from the desert sands, while behind you stand the great pyramids of Giza, silent and eternal. This is the moment the world has been waiting for. This is the moment Egypt rewrote history, not with war or conquest, but with memory, heritage, and unmatched civilization. On the 16th of October 2024, a partial opening of the Grand Egyptian Museum, GEM, allowed the world a first glimpse into what was coming. But the true moment of global attention arrived on the 1st of November 2025, when GEM was officially and fully inaugurated in a grand ceremony near Giza, just 2 kilometers from the Great Pyramids. It wasn't just a museum opening, it was a planetary event, covered by global media, watched by millions, and talked about in every corner of the internet. Before we go deeper into what makes this museum so powerful and why the hype is still rising, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more stories about lost civilizations, hidden histories, and the mysteries that shaped our world. Because what you're about to discover is not just about a museum, it's about the entire Egyptian civilization. What makes the Grand Egyptian Museum, GEM, so powerful? The Grand Egyptian Museum is the largest archaeological museum in the world, dedicated to a single civilization. Covering over 500,000 square meters, GEM is larger than the Vatican Museums and British Museum combined. It is not just a display space, it is a modern monument to the oldest advanced society in human history. Right as you enter, you face a massive statue of Ramses II, one of the most powerful pharaohs of Egypt. This is no accident. The moment you walk in, you enter the world of the pharaohs, kings, who were seen not just as rulers, but as gods on earth. Inside the museum, entire dynasties are carefully laid out across time. The Old Kingdom, the Middle Kingdom, and the New Kingdom are all represented. Each era tells a story of power, belief, war, science, religion, and incredible human creativity. But the biggest reason for the hype? For the first time in history, the complete collection of Tutankhamun's treasures, over 5,000 original artifacts, are displayed in one place. His golden mask, his chariots, his weapons, his throne, even everyday items from his life and death. This isn't just history. This is a life frozen in time, the language of gods, hieroglyphs, and papyrus. One of the most fascinating parts of the Grand Egyptian Museum is its deep focus on Egyptian language and hieroglyphs, the sacred writing system of the ancient world. Hieroglyphs were not just letters, they were symbols of power, nature, gods, and beliefs. Every bird, eye, snake, and hand carved into stone carried meaning. These symbols were written on papyrus, an ancient form of paper made from the papyrus plant found along the Nile River. The museum displays ancient scrolls, texts, spells, prayers, and records written by priests and scribes, the most educated people of Egyptian society. These scribes acted as record keepers for dynasties, royal families, battles, taxes, and even love poems. Without them, Egypt's history would be lost. Today, modern languages, letters, and even alphabets are partly influenced by these early systems of communication. This is something the world inherited from the pharaohs and still uses in evolved form. Structured writing, documentation, recorded law, and storytelling in written form. The builders of the impossible, pyramids and engineering. One of the biggest mysteries tied to Egypt is the question, how did they build the pyramids? The Grand Egyptian Museum addresses this curiosity with real evidence of ancient technology and infrastructure. It reveals how Egyptian builders used advanced methods of hydraulics, ramps, levers, navigation, measurement, and light reflection to construct monuments that still stand after 4,500 years. These were not primitive people. They were architects, mathematicians, engineers, astronomers, and planners. They understood geometry, alignment with stars, and the flow of the Nile River. Their navigation skills allowed trade with distant lands. Their irrigation systems changed how humans controlled water forever. What we now call infrastructure, roads, drainage, urban planning, and construction standards, was practiced thousands of years ago in ancient Egypt. And in GEM, you can finally see the tools, diagrams, and remains of the systems they used. This realization alone has fueled worldwide hype because it forces us to rethink what ancient really means: religion, gods, and the afterlife. Religion shaped everything in ancient Egypt. Pharaohs were seen as the link between gods and humans. They ruled with symbols of power, like the crook and flail, the double crown, the ink, symbol of life, and the eye of Horus, representing protection and divine order. Each god and goddess had a role. Ra, god of the sun; Osiris, god of the afterlife; Isis, goddess of magic and motherhood; Horus, god of kingship; Anubis, god of mummification; Thoth, god of wisdom and writing. Modern religious architecture, symbolic art, belief systems, and spiritual rituals across multiple cultures have traces back to Egyptian ideas of life, death, judgment, and eternity. Humanity didn't just admire Egypt, it learned from Egypt. The wars, the power, and the empires. Egypt wasn't just peaceful and spiritual, it was also a military superpower. The museum details ancient Egyptian wars, armor, weapons, chariots, shields, and battle records carved into temple walls. Pharaohs like Thutmose III and Ramses II expanded Egypt's empire through powerful campaigns. Their victories were recorded by scribes and displayed as propaganda through giant carvings, the earliest form of political image control. Even modern military structure, communication, organized command, and record-keeping systems reflect the early innovations of Egypt's structured society. This adds even more to the global fascination and hype, because ancient Egypt was not just beautiful, it was strategic, powerful, and highly advanced. What have we inherited from the pharaohs? The world still uses many things created or influenced by Egyptian civilization, including the 365-day calendar, advanced surgery and medicine, architecture and geometry, written records, and libraries, agricultural systems, legal and administrative structures, astronomy, and star calendars, symbolic art and design, urban planning concepts. GEM is not just showing history, it is showing our origins. This is why millions feel personally connected to it. It explains how modern life was shaped long before modern technology existed. Egyptology and archaeology, the science behind the hype. Another reason the GrandEgyptianMuseum has gained unstoppable attention is its role in Egyptology and archaeology. Scientists and researchers from all over the world now use GEM as a hub for research, restoration, analysis, and historical decoding. It holds conservation laboratories using cutting-edge technology to study artifacts without damaging them. New discoveries are being made even today, within items found over 100 years ago. The museum doesn't just preserve history, it is creating new history through discovery. The Inauguration, a moment in world history. On the 1st of November 2025, the world stopped. Powerful light shows lit up the Giza skyline. Drones captured stunning views of the museum, perfectly aligned with the pyramids. World leaders, archaeologists, historians, artists, and cultural icons gathered in one place. It was not just a national event, it was a global cultural revival. Hashtags exploded, news channels went live, social media flooded with reactions. The world wasn't just looking at Egypt, the world was looking back at itself. And as history becomes fashion and culture again, don't forget to prepare for today's world as well. It's the holiday season, the perfect time to shop for unique, meaningful pieces. Start your holiday shopping now at www.kimlud.com, because history inspires style, and style tells its own story. Is the hype worth it? Absolutely. The Grand Egyptian Museum is not just about the past, it is a blueprint for the future, showing how nations can preserve identity while embracing innovation. It balances ancient tradition with global progress. Some worry about environmental impact, tourism stress, and preservation, but this museum has been designed with climate control, sustainable systems, protection zones, and conservation strategies to ensure that Egypt's heritage lasts another 5,000 years. This is not hype without purpose. This is legacy in motion. Conclusion: not a museum, a resurrection. The Grand Egyptian Museum is not just built of glass and stone. It is built of memory, power, belief, knowledge, innovation, faith, time, from the Nile River to the pyramids, from papyrus to hieroglyphs, from gods and goddesses to science and architecture. Egypt has given the world more than it can ever return. And now, finally, the world has returned its attention. If this story fascinated you, don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into ancient worlds, lost knowledge, and the mysteries that still shape our lives today. And as the spirit of Egypt inspires the world again, make sure you don't miss the chance to create your own moment too. Visit www.kimlud.com today and start shopping for the holidays before the best pieces are gone. History waits for no one, and neither do the best finds.
Thank you for tuning in. You've been watching KimLud Media.